All right. So I am live again. What a showdown. What a showdown. What a showdown. What a showdown. Can you imagine? Big showdown, people. It's a night that comprises of every single thing. Everything. That night comprised of everything. It comprised of penalties, red card, harsh tackles, piles, salad, fighting in crowd. People action everywhere. All the video man people, even the video man himself a part of action. People, the JPL show last night was epic. I tell you, the JPL show last night was epic. A lot of people turn out. I mean, a lot of people. They stand pack. The stands pack, ram up. You can't find a good seat. The stands pack, people. The stands pack. So, Harbour View, congratulations, Harbour View. Congratulations, Harbour View. Good try, Arnett. Good try, Arnett. Congratulations, Cavaliers. Good try, Mount Pleasant. I am going to go into details with each one of those games. So I'm going to basically analyze the game from my perspective. I'm giving from my perspective what I saw. Few of you guys might view it that way as well, but most definitely. And I'm telling you, it was an exciting encounter. All right, so first kickoff of the game of the day, we have, I think, Mount Pleasant versus Cavaliers. That was the first kickoff. Now, the last game, Monday, pretty boring. I mean, truth, it was pretty much boring. Monday game was pretty much boring. But last night, Cavaliers versus Mount Pleasant, both teams turn up. Both teams came out with intention to play some ball to win the game. Both teams. Now, as the game kick off, I can see that a lot of mutual respect. I'm going to send an invite, man. A lot of mutual respect. Was shown on both sides of the pitch, on both sides of the team. I do think that Mount Pleasant was big up Corey.
Yeah, it is.
Christina turned up yet.
She's not forward, man. She's not forward, you know.
She linked me this morning, you know.
Yeah.
She linked me and said, boy, me not like still the game there. The Harbour View game, you hot. The game hot. You hotter than the Mount Pleasant game. You hot, man. You hot. You hot, man. Really hot.
I called her yesterday. She had one. And she had cuss. I was saying, imagine the weather cuss, man. Because I don't tell her how I'm going to win.
Hey, me know that she must vex. She happy vex. All right. You told me what she gave me, I say, no, say, they not lock down Reed, though. I say, they not lock down Reed. Every time Reed gets the ball, the whole defense have run and they start scatter.
Yeah.
But the game put on go anywhere still now. Because the two sides they played nervous. The game put on go anywhere.
I mean, it's a knockout game, so obviously they're the game. You know what I mean?
I mean, understand why they're so cautious.
Yeah, it's a knockout game. Nobody don't want to lose. You know what I mean? Everybody will defend first.
And then finally, all right. You see, Harbour, it's just unfortunate. Harbour, you're unfortunate as apartheid. Messi and Ronaldo miss penalty. So that's what I know.
You know what I mean? Penalty, you don't must score. You know what I mean?
Yeah, but
it's a pressure kick. You have to have the you know what I mean? Because penalty is always pressure. No matter who
always pressure.
It's always a pressure kick.
Tears, that's it. But sheds on tears. Hey.
Yeah, man. I don't like me feel sorry for him and my boy from Mount Pleasant, you know, because the two players where they score goal for them team and it boil out them.
I
feel it for them, man.
I cordial like to the father him.
Most people
Never
don't know
did
that.
I hide,
I was a
man.
Harbour people
We
player.
just did I
But
get
people
some
everybody, they don't know
call.
that. You know what I mean?
Good
So they
morning
don't
or
have to go
good
straight to Harbour people.
afternoon. Anything it might be.
Corey, you know see Chrissy?
Him see me, I see you tag my name for your page. You tag me for.
Hold on, miss it alone. A Corey live alone, man. A Corey live alone. Boy, Chrissy, how you feel?
I feel away. I must feel away. My team drop out. I have to feel away, but I not gonna take it to heart. You get what I say? Hats off to the guys, them play good. I not gonna take it from them. A little disagreement in some part of the game, but
Them
I
put
say
in
it
a
go.
shift, man.
Yeah.
Them put in a real shift. Corey drop off. It's like on Wi-Fi in the service. Them
I
put in
owe
a
him,
real
I
shift.
say go home. I not come out today, and I just never want to feel like me I run from the live. I not run from them something. A part of the game. Half an hour come a football match. You don't understand football. You need to stay home and stop come at the game, come talk some foolish when I make no sense. You not bash the coach. What the coach do? The coach come take the team and do good. And go so far. You not bash the coach for. The player them go out there and play. For a given day, somebody have to win. And Harbour you win. Hats off to them. You want to come at the match and you know, and the coaches and if you stay on the yard. Stay warm.
But Chrissy, come on, ask for them today, man.
Not really. I just did, you know. But you did there on a call. I look and see that yeah, go like. I tell you, me that go join by the live. I'm not afraid. I'm not run from nothing.
Alright, you see the game that me not like the game enjoy the game. As I said still now, last night comprised of everything. You never did the game, man. Watch my TV though.
Me, Christian Garden, watch pa. Then I go see how one little crab me get last night when the fight go on. Some man I run one of them on crab me.
Hold on, you didn't know which one the fight go on?
No, the fight come down to where me did it over the other part of the stands.
Oh, he moved. Alright, me stand from home there. I see a man throw half a black. I don't know where black come from. I don't know where a big old black come from. There's a way. A big old black. There's a what? And where is a black come from? But
Listen, stop right there, so. When you go on in a history, you love to talk about what else used to beat Arnett. That was then. The future is we take 6 points from you never want to face with. That's why we not cheer against we. Yeah, we come out and all. Sunday I come league. I go miss Arnett. Me I tell you that. I go miss we.
Me don't talk, you know. Arnett the whole team what else never want to face.
I know. So when I come right here, so I say we drop out. I know so we drop out. So when I frightened me for I was at the game. What is your guys' problem?
So
I tag my name. This morning wake up and say tag my name. What y'all look for?
I love pressure. I love good pressure.
Pressure. Me lock off my. Me not look for my phone really last night. Cause me I watch the game, so you know that go.
Me know. No, yes, it's true. For a long time, me watch the game and me I say blouse and skirt. Chris is supposed to sweat, you know.
The stand it at overall, so I been a sweat. I know because the match. I did nervous. I don't like penalty. I am not a fan of penalty. Me I tell you honest truth. I don't really like penalty.
The two are two good game. And the two person kick the ball. Alright, me know reason why Harbour not go first. Me know reason why he can go so long. Because we know say Harbour is not a penalty kicker. We know say not a penalty kicker. But
I think he never want to kick it.
It's the Harbour view keeper, Bennett, the young you there, me tell you man, the boy, his future bright. Have a bright future. Bennett, keep doing what they're doing, bro.
I'm still not go bash him. Listen, like I would bash Arban because I see the greatest player in the world kick up penalty. You get what I say? No, the atmosphere alone, like the pressure at your hand, I say, alright, I go kick the 8 penalty. You did it, I say, Jano, you don't know what run cross in mind. So any idea, I would bash him. If you can't bash him. No, other people will.
Oh, yeah, let me tell you why you can't bash him. Most time, you have to win a game for the first 90 minutes. So with penalty, anything apply.
Yeah.
Anything apply for penalty. You cannot tell what is going to happen in a penalty. But as Mr. Still, the goalkeeper, let me tell you why I'm rating the goalkeeper. The Harbour goalkeeper. The Harbour goalkeeper plays some mind game yesterday. Yes, one time, I would not kick it.
Shandy and Fabian, I see him chuck the ball in them chest and go out with him.
And that man, no, who should have go hug? Shandy go hug?
Him hug Shandy and he push the ball in a park chest and say something.
Yeah, man, he go hug Shandy. I say, yo, you see him? Him man play some mind game, and I say, I respect that 100%. You see, keeper supposed to have personality. Keeper supposed to have that about them. I tell you, I go far, man. Oh, the game two night. You see, Harbour never locked down Trayvon. Arnett never locked down Trayvon Reed. I never locked down Trayvon Reed. Trayvon Reed get time and space. Them now and put some hard tackle for himself now. But you cannot give Trayvon Reed that much time and space.
And
the first goal, I am Eric Strand better with the first goal. When he should pick up the ball, but he happens to even the second keeper, you know. When he go for the ball and the ball do up on his chest. But he should be better with that. But you have a good game, can do a whole lot of work. Corberg and Christian could have won out toes.
And you know, I think I will kick one ball from way out last night. When him stretch and save me, I say, shit. You remember the ball we kick? I don't remember who kick it. A Parker kick it? Or a Steve Clark?
I try to remember it.
Hit the ball and him stretch and I think it score.
Me some good. Me said behind me. Alright, the game. Me not like it. Me enjoy last night. Everybody will come. The game last night.
Chandy James play good. And the 21, I think him did have one good game. The Arnett 21, I don't know his name, but him did play good too. The tall defender.
Oh, yeah, man. No, him commanded, man. He's very commanding. Yeah. And him put on some hard tackle for Reed. I think what happened is...
I never hear when you say that. I never hear. Yeah, if you did tell me that go up on the field, me that get one different pass and go cheer them. Me that one there at the sideline for cheer them. If me did hear you say, I go give me arm. You.
I got to go coach him. I got to go coach him.
Yeah, me never hear that big money argue.
Me never see neither.
Me never
see neither. Because I don't want to be banker. I don't want to be banker.
Corey, me never say you right yesterday, so I never text me and tell me that. Me ask he got if him can write money on the bench, but I come help him.
Come put in the power. I'll put in a good piece of power. He said call you and say because you're a cuss man, that's why.
Him call me and talk about me a sweat in a stance. Me did a set because me did add. Me just tell him say later because I know him come for. Watch our face. Because we did under one love them time and him call me. Him call me for. Call me for you, but me not hear him say.
Alright, so what do you think about the Montpellier and Cavaliers game?
I never see the first goal because I did on my way over there.
First goal a penalty, man. Richard King score a penalty. You know, how about you? Arnett should get a penalty?
Yeah.
Arnett should get a penalty, you know?
They try down. Yeah, the referee, them sick in their head. Them need some different referee. It's Bembo say a penalty that go. Them a pray last night. I saw them sitting in the stand. Arnett go home. Arnett go home. Them a pray now. Them don't want to see me.
Me get that. Alright, me can send it to you. Me get it live. Me get it. Me coming up video. Me get it live and me get it in a slow motion when he pull back Marlon.
Penalty, but I saw them thief and stay. I just say it for go.
Thief? What's the thief?
Referee them thief. Because if we get one penalty, then he might do be a fool. She say I must see the same penalty where you call. Then they keep as a corner, you know, and then take it back and give a spot kick. Now that's the all right, then now what kick them
Me don't wonder what God. Come and see a mess up spot kick.
It was a penalty for you, then them say corner.
Then
and
think, all right.
The man says that is a spot kick to Harbour. You may say them confused or something. I remember everything. I watch the game.
So that means that basically if I spot kick, it should have been a dive, which means Marlon shouldn't get a yellow card then for simulation.
No. Just call them confused, the linesman and the referee confused. It seem like him that said something to him. Listen now, it was a clear penalty.
Yeah.
It was a clear penalty, but you know the referee the ball is.
Me lap my camera right now. Me have in a slow motion. It's a pull back.
And then you know
pull back Allen from Allen there penalty spot.
Yeah, but what you say, them confused because them say first them say it's a corner. Some say why the penalty lead to a corner. Then me see them say Harbour view spot kick. Remember where you talk.
Big up Sean Nice. Corberg said Ladiel tackle was clean. Or the one the clean Me not remember.
And
Benbow said any team come, we're ready.
listen.
Hey, Benbow, let me tell you, Benbow. If I'm being honest, if me honest, I think Arnett is the only team of Waterhouse never won face.
Yes, me think so too.
Then Arnett not give them 4 pieces of chips the last year, man.
Yeah.
4 pieces of chips. Special order.
Well, I'm not going to take nothing from my team. Proud of them. I said it last night and put it on my status. Y'all know I'm proud of you guys.
Mm-hmm.
We lose our draw. I just, pan the giving day, I just say it. I not bash nobody. I not point my finger upon nobody. Everybody do them thing. Everybody try. I just say, go. I think them did for press more, though. With the one-man advantage, I think them should have pressed above you. Then I think Ludlow would have pulled back the whole 10 players for defend. Because in a one night time, you know, at the game.
No, all right, let me tell you one, man. You see, after Harbour scored the first goal, this is what happened. It happened at the first game as well. I mean, he said the game had done 1-1. Ludlow started play defensive. Team started sit back. Score first goal, then start sit back. Midfield, Harbour midfield wide open so. And just gradually go in that game. And so comes now, they start put on more pressure. Start create more chances. And so comes now, they put them the goal come from.
Yeah.
I think Ludlow can't do when do against Waterhouse. When do it Arnett. He cannot do that.
And me think he made a play for going a penalty for me.
Yes.
As that one point.
There's that waste time for 60 minutes.
Yeah, and them drop. You see the 20, the one on the wing? I think him forget a card. Every minute him a drop because I don't know. But I an idea. Let's see.
Who that?
The number I think a 21 him wear. I'm not sure. I think him the captain. The one who play on the wing where him Shandy did a game a warm time last.
Orlando. Ordinal. Arden. Make him my first name. Arden in name.
Yeah, whatever his name. Him a drop every minute. Him drop the last night.
Him a look something. Ben
Yeah.
Bowser, Chris, if you remember what I did to Arnett in semifinals at their hometown.
Me not say nothing, but that was past. What did I did the season? But no one want to see me. All right, let's clear the. All who not beat up on the gum. The whole of the Premier League team, them afraid of my side. Come play them like it's a final and a semi-final. And I can't play more.
Them all let's prepare for what Arnett.
Yeah, everybody. All them Arnett could have the last in at the table. Them a fight for come beat them. The team could have the last in at the table and Arnett the upper top. Them a fight for come. Everybody. What Arnett doing so? Someone know.
Maybe that's where get the stripe from.
Eh?
Maybe another team never get the stripe off of.
Maybe, but me I tell you, say all we are going. If your side no good, so much everybody would want to come play like it's a. Allow me to tell like it's a semi-final or a final.
What? Hold on. What
first
if,
in the front of them?
What if it's a free 3 points?
Arnett?
Yeah. So everybody wants the 3 points.
Yeah, so them play all the time, all when them.
No, but let's say, what them view Arnett as a 3 points when they can get.
No, 3 points are there for them get, but I just saw them come play like them a play a final every team. But see, more lines we are 2 game. Them get beat up 4-1, 5-1. Them come play the final. Me I said no, everybody.
Cause them say, you know, say, them probably I say, boy, you know, so we can get the points as I do. All right, let me tell you the reason this now. Arnett and Waterhouse. This is the reason why most teams play so hard against them 2 teams. It's solely because of how Arnett and Waterhouse play. Arnett and Waterhouse play 2 pressing game. What teams normally do? They normally increase the intensity and try to play similar to how them play to match them. So that is the reason why you see the game them always end to end. Arnett, Waterhouse are the 2 more exciting teams in the league for watch. Arnett, Waterhouse, then Malines. Once you watch any team there, goal and score, be excitement. But because the game is so open, anything can happen. Benbow said Waterhouse, Mount Pleasant, and Arnett, every team want to be because of the big team.
I don't like that.
True.
But no, them never want to play, but them I miss you. Just the excitement with the fans, them. No, them are gonna miss that. I like me, I tell them, I'm gonna miss that.
Of course. Let me tell you, it's Mount Pleasant. Let me tell you, for me personally, I think what happened last night, why it's harsh for the league. The 2 teams, two of the teams, two are the biggest fan base.
Yeah.
End up home. Say no, say other teams have support, you know. But you see, the fan base in regards to excitement, them two team fan base are full of excitement. Yeah, me go match, me go watch. Let me tell you which match me go watch. I think watch one Cavaliers versus a Cavaliers Harbour View. Me can't remember. A Cavaliers Harbour View. I just look at clap this is me here. One time Arnett fans turn up in a man and Mount Pleasant fans, you know, a Vuvuzela, all like nice. Yeah, me like them vibes there. Alright, me can go sit down over a VIP section. I go with this stuff. What is so boring?
But that's so boring. You want to hear
want people energy.
Yeah, you want to hear that and I'll be excitement. You know it go already. Last time I think so, a water party and Arnett score. Be look at you.
So last night, me and short, you know, and one brother back at me and asked me, which team support? Because him said me and short for Shandy kick and me and short for Trayvon kick. So him said, oh yeah, short for two.
Yes, so the selector last night, you realize that when the game I go and hear him now, big up all of you. Every minute I say that to me, I say like all of you my brain. So hear him now one at a time. Oh, the people make some nice me hear boo boo. I say okay. Because he make it look like same as share for Harbour. So we expect them to do. Them are going to boom you. Maybe that's your Harbour. You hear much Harbour in the big up and send it a go on. You say?
Maybe it's a Harbour supporter. Them both say me love play against Arnett because of their crowd. And seating in the stadium is like I'm playing.
I don't lie, but I say go next season, you know, I have to just come and do the do. But no, I'm more pleasant feel away too because it's the next, as you say, is the next team that we carry crowd. Cause even last night, like when them game finish, I don't know if guys on it, I said, come on, more pleasant, whatever, because they know speed 8 on it. So I guess that would have be the problem. Speed not like on
it. That's how more pleasant to win.
Yeah, so them a cheer. So last night, I'm love you and big up yourself. So last night no. Like some Arnett people where they dead beside me and behind me, I say, when Arnett walk out, and they get up and make me a night. So I'm going to see the more pleasant man stand up, say, hey, you're my wife. Sit down, Arnett people get up and say, Arnett, me I bring it home. Say, yeah.
So me no one then look up, me have some Arnett people close to me, them and say, all right, the Harbour View people, I want for people who have Cavalier to lose now. Me don't know why.
Because of probably them coach. And I'm going to think because of the player. The man have a... But I even want to go there. Let's not go there. Yeah, but them don't want them lose though. I know that for sure.
But you
and
know
last night, like...
You know that team that I want to worst team to go face now final, Cavaliers.
So you think them are going to beat Dumbo Olin?
I don't know if them are beat Dumbo Olin, and this, I don't know at all. I don't know.
Them not, listen now, one reason why I'm saying them wouldn't beat Dumbo Olin, them have the players them, but them not have nobody for finish really.
True, because them dash on a whole chance last night.
Them not have no finisher. Even the number 10, I tell somebody saying will mash you up for the whole game, but him not go score. And them say, wait, I when score all if I go. And I say, listen,
nah score man.
Him will mash you up and him kick with the ball. Them not have no finisher.
Don't make him hold up on the sideline.
May I tell you, them have good players but no finisher. And then with Bygrave and the other guy from Dumbo Olin, the fast guy, you probably know his name.
McGregor?
That's Junior McGregor, him and Bygrave will cause problem on them team.
Alright. So you want to know. The thing about it is that Cavaliers play possession football. Dumbo Olin play possession football. I believe it's going to be a game of small margins and who take them chances.
Small margin and I think experience to White as well.
Yeah. Peter McGregor can score a goal. Bygrave can score a goal. Demar Phillips can score a goal.
Yeah, good players them there. And you have two good midfielders who play good together, which is Fabian and Chris.
Fabian and Nanko. Who play really good today. They have a good partnership.
Yeah.
Oof.
Them have a good team. I have a rough force around there. You know that you're not taking a trick.
But with Cavaliers, you see, with Cavaliers, the thing about Cavaliers, you see, with Cavaliers now, Cavaliers is not, them not depend on independent player. them play more as a unit like. Them play more as a unit. I think them get a big loss last night when with Mings come out. I don't know if Mings are going to play again. I don't know if Mings are going to play.
Number that?
Huh?
Which number? Man, I really...
The captain, number 15.
No.
The number 15. Last couple of games, man.
You know one player for them, he can play really good. The number 11, I see Mola man last night.
Campbell. No, Campbell wicked man.
And then him trip the ball. Him trip the ball and it looks so pretty. Them ever finish. I tell you. The goal
no, Campbell a good winger.
Yeah,
he kick off a both foot in a hard too. I think he was Cavalier's biggest strength. Is the King? A King of them biggest strength. Cause King had do 3 roles.
He never
King
get injured.
Center back. Huh?
He never get injured.
No, King never get injured.
Yeah, him did get a knock last night, I think.
He never come off though. He never come off.
Samba time Sunday.
3 p.m.
That's here for Harbour View.
Yeah? King a play 3 position. King a play center back.
I'm not gonna know everybody like probably faces like if I see them a play I can, yeah. But I'm not gonna know them by name. Why?
I'm alright. King are the one who play for national team, number 4. He plays center.
I'm not talking about King. King not come from jungle.
Oh, I'm sitting there about calming. You see, because they're young, and like old ball that they were a long time because they're young.
Everybody, in due time, you know them. I go get to must be I go start work with the somebody. What them name Donovan Oliver and them.
Yeah.
I think I go start work with Donovan. What name the commentator? I think we can start work with them.
But you boss man, big time.
I joke me, I'm not work with them. Just I say due time we start work with them. I gonna hear everybody. Sometimes them not really know. Them just look on the paper in front of them and probably the name. Them don't know them by face and.
No, they know them man.
Them know all of
them. Yeah.
Me not gonna
hear some a long time they already play them, you know. They know them man.
So why
them know them?
Play 3 o'clock. I think them should have played the game 5 and 7 again. But them bring the boy them in at son.
Once a double holding at 3 p.m. I think for the season, Dumbo Holding played the most 3 o'clock game. Dumbo Holding played the most 3 o'clock game this season. But as necessary, King played 3 positions, centre back, central midfielder, and CDF for Cavaliers. In the whole power.
But me I say them should have bring back the game them like the same way them play the playoff. 5. Yeah? But you think them should have played the game them the same way like the playoff 5 and 7.
5 and 7?
Yeah. Why 3 o'clock?
I don't know why. I don't understand it either.
I don't understand. You play playoff 5 and 7. No, you play so 3 and 3 o'clock in the sun. I'm sorry for that. The time extra hard, so I know how them are go feel. Them have to take water break.
Water break. It's rough, man. I wouldn't do it as well. I wouldn't want them play them all.
Yeah,
I like that.
Could do better. Them could have played the game 5.
I agree with that. They must do something about it.
Because it's hot now, so I know the ball of them are go feel. The sun and I think them should have bring the game 5 o'clock.
I think them should do it the same time as well. Well, a 2 game and 1 game. A 2 game and 1 game.
You know, I don't know how it match up Sunday for Sunday, Monday, or a 2 game Sunday.
I go check it.
But I think
if I must 2 games to one play 3 o'clock.
One play 3 and then the next one I play after. Cause I just remember I tell somebody say a 3 p.m. game we not have. Some don't know.
Mm-hmm. Why Europe them? Specifically don't
live, you know, them I'm in a business on my chat, you know, them back up.
Oh, go on.
People know around Jamaica football for back up. I don't
when 3 o'clock game I go
big semi-final you can't that.
3
Back up them back up and go with that. You can't the quarter final them. The quarter final them. Nice. Big semi-final you come and carry last on that. I back them for back up. I'm in a business on my chat, you know.
Worst one is something when people come city. You think you should have played 5?
Sunday evening.
Yeah.
3 o'clock rice and peas.
Sunday,
Oh,
friend Panda did.
Alright. Now you want feedback. I don't know if somebody else are here, but you want feedback for you something there.
no, I'm alone in my room, man.
Oh, you want feedback a while ago. For me still, I don't think they should have put it 3 p.m.
The man if you go, man.
But I say go still. I'm 2 game of play, right?
Yeah. 3 and 5.
3 and 5. So,
Man if you go, man.
I don't understand that still. I don't understand that. So why not the next game I play Monday?
No, man, 2 of them play Sunday.
No, man, no one play game Monday then, man. Monday night football, same way.
2 of them play Sunday. One play 5 and one play 3. Man, if you back up, better. You bring this quarter final them night.
The
quarter final, shall play Sunday then. A semi-final, everybody come a Sunday. So I don't believe them.
A man say, Nandel said them over about light deal.
Light deal. But then if you back up, brother.
Me hear feedback, you know. Maybe iPhone.
Maybe iPhone.
My life.
Man, if you go on, brother.
Why? You don't look good.
Semi-final, brother. Big 3 o'clock.
You are what? You're not supposed to use it, so that's supposed to be for an advantage, you know.
Yeah.
Alright. Jump off and come back out. Your phone and give one feedback,
Yeah, him phone and make one funny sound.
Yeah, it give one feedback. Yeah, but
I feel that way.
All
if them play games 3 o'clock, the point still remain like you should have bring the game the same way or you bring the playoff. To me.
I think so. It should remain the same.
Yeah, and on Sunday, like Sunday people want to do what they do and then go sit in for it's 5 o'clock game or so and just watch football. Me think so too.
Let me tell you.
Go feel that way. But them are going to turn it around the other week. So Waterhouse and Harbour are going to play 3 and them are going to get the night match. But I said them should have make it play same way or them play the playoff them.
Me a countryman. And 3 o'clock, me just a come from church.
Oh, thanks. So
me just a come from church, 3 o'clock. So for me left all we are country if come. The rough man, the really, really rough.
So yeah, say me keep y'all laugh off me so like a clown. See my man at the match join the live day. Big up yeah, of course.
Shandy, match Arnett.
Gym.
You know some me get Shandy though?
From Arnett, who you doggy?
The centre back.
I tell you, say the 2 of them play good.
Me know Shandy play good, but me not give centre back.
Like the 2 of them, how them leader.
Me not give centre back. Let me tell you why me not give centre back. You see the nature of the game and how he command the defense line.
And him now while, you know? Him now while it up. Him a win the ball and I make passes.
Exactly. Him a play clean and tidy.
I read the game where I see somebody I make a tuba and him just stop it last night and make a pass. Him can play. Him very humble. He's a humble player and him a do him thing.
I my most stand up player for me for Arnett. For our view now, well, once my
you know a Trevor, without
Trevor, brother. I know. You know that this entire season that is all in play, the entire season, in a drop off, none at all. In a drop off.
I see him get a dose of medicine last night. A little dose of medicine from Bye Bye.
Oh, yes. Yeah, man, they target him, you know. They target him.
No, not him, yes. We see Bye Bye, hold him, and him drop and I hold him.
Yeah.
Oh,
right in front of me, Bye Bye, I'm doing so. I want to get up and shake off your hand. Right in front of nasty him up.
But it in a football, you mash up people, so you have to get back mash up. I just say.
Look what people left and ground. Let me say, Bye just give my left and right and go and lift him. He frightened. You know what trap? I'm going to try to turn back so far. You see me?
I expect that. He might try close the play shut down the play.
Oh, me not lie, me not know no, but me feel like the Trayvon Reed must make out a higher, you know. The amount that kicking get when he hand clean. He can get something. See, man, the referee start cuss, I'm a cuss referee now protect him. But if you dribble so much, what do you think? You'll get kicked.
Referee now.
Me the body, me watch.
As them get a kick last night, them must say ref. Like, you know what they must say? But I know foul them the Arnett and ref just call. Like, the ref I say, play on.
If me on defender, we don't find him a 9. Because in the everywhere on the pitch, I can't touch him. We don't find him very a 9. Me don't tell somebody to kick him down. That's tell a man to kick him down. But it was a very, I find the game a very entertaining game. As we said, last night the JPL really turned out. With the dancing, the music was playing nice stands, the little band thing will come out.
Last night did ram more than the first one. Last night
pack.
Because when we could have only like when we sit down, people are stop and I say, no seat never did beside that week. No seat never really did it. And you know,
the fans turn out, the vibes right, red card, penalty, injury, fight off the field, excitement. And the cameraman, me don't know, every minute my wife will show me cameraman. So look at it. The cameraman full of excitement, that's it.
Somebody said me to save the life on YouTube. I know about football.
No, I'm never put up the other live, you know, but through time, I couldn't get put up. I'm never put up the live up on my YouTube channel. But so next game now, we're going to look at the next game. Where things are going? Waterhouse versus Harbour. Who you want to win? I'm going to assume they want Waterhouse to win.
Listen, I'm not going to tell you. They never cheer for me last night, you know. So right now, listen how them are born with us. So right now, may the best team win. Listen, I'm just show you something. Them play a lot of game over Arnett. And you know, so anytime them play over Arnett, Arnett people them go watch them cheer for. Like,
cheer for them.
And like if when we are play, them always want we lose, we don't know why. And then Arnett people, them guess them lose now. What else a PNP? Them still not have no love for we. Them we have no, we have love for them. Alright, every time I play for Arnett, you know, we go watch a game. Me always go watch game, you know.
Yeah.
Once me no work and me can't go to the game, me go to the game. I'm always a cheer for them. I'm always a cheer for them. Like what else? So even them play Cavaliers on Monday night. I think my friend is scoring on that game. They didn't know. I mean, I cheer for them the whole time. They are the defense. They didn't cheer for we. Anybody we have played, turn on it. I don't know why, and we cheer for them. So right now, let me tell you this: may the best team win. Anybody win the league, hats off to them.
Remember, said somebody said anybody will win the game, then and them are going to win the league, you know. All
right, let's clear the air. Cause you want me going on some different thing. I'm not want going on now. So to Harbour, you beat Arnett, if you them gonna beat Waterhouse?
No.
No, them not gonna beat Waterhouse.
I think Arnett was the team to beat Waterhouse.
Yeah, I think anything can happen on the given day, but I'll give Waterhouse the edge over them.
I agree. Me agree with that. I think me not gonna downplay Harbour, but I think based off of how the two teams play, the more likely team to win that would have be Waterhouse.
Yeah, Waterhouse, me I gonna give the edge over them.
Yeah. But me can tell you.
As you say, I know you're not gonna bring it to this, like for me tell you what, but me gonna tell you the honest truth. Waterhouse me I bring for Waterhouse I gonna beat Harbour for you.
Nothing
them. You get what me I say?
Me I go watch you see a good. Me I go there to go see a good game. That me I go there to go see.
Waterhouse on my side. What you mean? Me I get too beat up. I tell you some my favorite players.
Let's get beat up in the semis in a quarterfinals. I got semis to get beat up.
Like when you see players who can play, you give them props. I tell you a lot of players yesterday who can play. But I tell you who I'm my favorite player in the league already. I'm not gonna take back that, and nobody can make me change that. Yeah, some of us say them the edge. You know, Cavaliers don't be holding game now. Who you predict for Waterhouse Harbour? You say the same thing as me. Say yeah, the what?
The best team will go win.
All right, the next game now. Moving on.
Me have a neutral, you know. Remember, say me support all the team, them, you know.
Yeah.
I'm a supporter of all the team. Me have a neutral.
Yeah.
But me can go into details in regards to who me expect to perform.
Yeah.
Me can do that.
And me say Waterhouse I got the edge over Harbour.
Now it's have a lot to do. You are going now. You see, like a long time, Waterhouse upon a long rest, you know. Our view a player. So when you look on that, you know, it's normally teams who is consistently playing, then depend on momentum, you know. So if Waterhouse want to win, they most definitely can't take a game lightly. So as a football go, football, that's a forgive me. Football is a wicked game, you know.
At the end of the day, no matter how much points you take from the team during the season, on a given day like a semi-final or a playoff, the team them now go come sit back. Them go play you hard.
Yeah, them a compete.
Harbour on it. We beat them 2 times. I think one was 4 and then the next one was 3. Them never come play with soft. Them come play hard and at soft. Them win the game. Congrats Harbour. Moving to them and still say congrats to my team. Them still proud. So I hope next season will come better. And hats off to the 4 semi-finalists. Can't take from them. But I give Waterhouse the edge over Harbour. And in the next game, I'm give the edge over Cavalier same way.
Umberland.
No, Dumbo Holding.
Dumbo Holding. I'm saying Umberland. Dumbo Holding.
I give them the edge over
If that game I got difficult to really analyze, you know. 2 possession basing. I think you're one. Remember Cavaliers was in this position last year, no?
Listen why I give them the edge. Alright. Bygrave is on what? Level goal?
Yeah.
Daniel with what? 12 goal or 13? 12.
Green, 12.
12 goal. Then Bygrave is playing for something. You get what I say? Because the leading goal scorer would which is Daniel Green. He's out. So I'll see where Bygrave would come and like want to get that leading goal scorer. So he has to win the game and
may I check something? May I check may I look on the line, the leading goal scorers them. Alright, so I have Bygrave, Green, Nelson, Benbow, Cephas, Allen, Reed. Alright, so anybody else, may I look on this right now? Anybody else who can go up the ladder would be
Benbow and Bygrave.
Benbow and Bygrave.
And
Reed upon 9. Reed upon 9 goal.
And him scoring penalty yesterday. The penalty bring him to 9 or bring him to 10?
That would have bring him to 10.
Okay.
That would have bring him to 10. Wow. So most definitely, this is a ball because Cavaliers now have no outstanding goal scorer. They now have no outstanding goal scorer. Green not upon 13 now. Green not upon 13. How much was Green score yesterday?
I him score the equalizer.
Green scored the equalizer. If I him score the equalizer, he might go jump on 14.
13.
Penalty not go scout. Penalty shootout wouldn't count, you know.
Oh, but no, he would have on
13 goals.
If him score the equalizer, then him dep on 13. But if not, at 12 him dep on. That's what I say. Bembo would that be the one where really a complete.
If I him score the equalizer, that'd be 13. At 13 goal dep on then. Benbow upon 11. Benbow would need 2 to match up to Green. Bygrave would need 2 as well. Bygrave and Benbow would need 2. So according to that, it would boil down to Bygrave and Benbow. It would boil down to Bygrave and Benbow.
Yes, that's why I said like them a play for something now, cause Benbow, I like if he might go for the leading goal scorer, so therefore he might go come at Harbourview for try score. Same way as Bygrave, so I say them a play for something, so them a go one score because they want. Therefore, them not gonna know so them still in the league and can have a chance getting the leading goal scorer and fall short on it, knowing that Daniel Green drop out.
He out, but the good thing about it is that he drop out with a good amount of goals.
And remember, say it's not like say say good. In a way, them the must score, but in a way, them I think them have their mindset say we are go feed 2 more goals. You get what I say?
Yeah,
So,
them
them
definitely
go,
go for score goal.
the
All
two
right,
players go feed.
huh?
Them are go feed. Me I tell you, say them are go feed.
I hold for 100 players up on the top, the league goal score sheet. Listen on, Cephas, Allen, Harbour. If you want to have Thomas and Benbow. Only Bagger from Dumbo Olin, Mount Pleasant, Trevante Stewart, and Green.
Yeah, but
Nicholas Nelson, oh, long time.
yeah, but you wouldn't look on the players them from Arnett, and cause as we said them the teams them will drop out. You look on the 4 semi-finalists now. Which one they closer to Daniel Green? Which
Yeah,
by
Bagger Van Benbow. Bagger
Benbow.
Van Benbow.
I said Trevor on the pan what 10. So he
Yeah,
have a
9. Trevor, which goal Trevor scored? Him scored equalizer yesterday? And scored
yeah,
no on him score and him score. And 9 goal in the pan.
The number 45 scored the equalizer,
Yeah.
the defender guy. Not
Do
the
I or something like that? Yeah.
I don't know him name.
You read that night. Read upon 9 goals. Read that need about 4 goals. That's
I'm say that Bembo and Mike between them now I forgot compete for try Daniel.
Yeah. Him outside. So Benbow and Grave. All right, so we could say if by Grave can do it or Benbow. That means say, all right, so for the 2 teams them, what if the 2 teams are going finals?
What bowling?
Dumbo now Waterhouse.
Can be. We don't know. Let's see what happens. I'm not even I use Sunday because our first leg semi-final that. So them play for. So our team can in Sunday and then the next team that just say go.
One thing for sure, say them whole game because I'll be some cracker. What about score in game? Eh?
Me want to see them more penalty.
You know, no more penalty. What make?
Penalty broke my heart last night.
But you're not that poor about again, unlike say you're that emotionally
No,
invested.
because like you know, I'm not afraid for anybody way, like penalty wise. Cause anybody can miss. Me not really like
it. People will miss the penalty.
Yeah, cause if you miss the penalty, you the people are gonna kill you now. So what? And all so you know it go. But my king said these 4 games are gonna play, as you say, is a cracker. So let's see what happens. May the best team win.
All right. Here we go on, people. Never go up on the road now because never got this schoolboy football game. Chrissy, big up for coming on again now. Good chat again.
Yeah, man.
Just come in. So you people are saying tired of penalties, so true. Yeah. Me like the penalties now. Me like when my heart a race.
You like penalty?
Yeah, me like when my heart a race, like the adrenaline rush.
The penalty make me feel weak last night, like me go faint and me can't manage him somebody. Weak for true last night. Me I tell you honest, me feel weak, so to run off for me. I mean I say me no want nobody miss Arnett, you know, so you know it go. Me not like
no, but that after football go. And
like
the person miss.
When we used to play for Arnett one time, we da lead one side from I think Mobie, we da lead them like I think 5 or so. And me I play everybody I say, no, come on, no get up and after them I say go kick him my heart beat fast, but I did score anyways. But my heart did a beat fast. And I say, why if we gonna miss? Everybody got a pressure, but I can't manage it. So I'm score.
Why think them pressure? They're not gonna pressure you.
Yeah, tell them I say should have next time. I say them nah give me. I'm gonna play next game already again. And them get a penalty and I say got to keep me. I say no, somebody else got to do it. And the person will take it and think them confident. And kick it away. And it could have been me. I can't manage them some of them. I feel away. So
I know what that
break a confidence we give though. Eh?
You know what that break a confidence we give though?
No, sir, I can't do that. I know other players they miss, but as me said, the greatest player miss penalty. So I just say
Ronaldo miss penalty. I mean say anybody can miss.
And then I know say Jamaica not cost them. They not cost them, you know?
Now if anyone miss them, then cost them they're not good.
Them not say them thing, they them say the greatest one. Make a local player we are trying to make him name for each far miss. Them are crucify him.
Can't kick a penalty.
Already about the foreign team them. Them go, like them want to kill them one and that, especially Man U fans them. Them are the only ones that come here from my age. Arsenal my support man. Me afraid for talk. I'm a Gunners fan.
Hey, but hey, you know football, that's no football, you know. Chrissy, I'm
gonna as your support. See there, I'm a Gunners fan, man. From them time, Fabregas still know.
I just am rated from Reese. I say no, Chrissy, no ball.
Arsenal fans go back. I'm Gunners on my team, man.
Man U fans reason football bias, man. Arsenal fans reason football.
When we beat all if Gunners beat them, say a buck up. So could I give them 5? Them say a buck up, son. This and that. I Gunners will support, man. Gunners all the way, man.
I'm giving a fun fact. Most of my best friends, them, I'm on you support. Every day we come.
And I like nobody will support Man U. So if they're on the live, I'm telling the honest truth. Man U fans them go on the most way in Jamaica.
They hype, man. They hype.
Yeah, them hype. Them hype. Arsenal I'm a team, man. From Everton.
You want me fast and pray for them to make it to the Europa League.
Arsenal I'm a team. You know when we come out we say Arsenal are good and this, but I might team that and I'll never cheer for another team in England.
Red and white.
All right.
Chrissy, we'll chat, you know.
All right.
You're going to watch football. I'm going to enjoy some youth football. I don't know if the big man didn't play last night. I'm going to take in the youth. But
all right. Yeah, man. Take care of yourself.
All right, we chat. Now put this up on my YouTube channel now, so people are going to see.
All right.